This is an incredibly energizing drink that can make you feel strong and vibrant in bed, even at 70. Crafted from a powerful blend of fresh ginger, honey, lemon, and raisins, this simple yet potent energy mix harnesses nature's finest ingredients to deliver remarkable benefits. Ginger stimulates blood flow and supports healthy circulation. Honey provides a quick energy boost and natural sweetness. Lemon detoxifies and revitalizes, while raisins add essential nutrients and antioxidants. Together, they work synergistically to enhance stamina, increase vitality, and support overall wellness. This isn't just a health tonic, it's a confidence booster that may help reignite intimacy and passion in your life. Whether you're aiming to improve your energy levels, support cardiovascular health, or simply enjoy a daily vitality-boosting ritual, this natural brew is a game changer. You'll feel the difference, and your partner will too.